Joining from Manchester, we have Craighead Primary going up against Pembroke Primary from Kingston.
So we had the coin toss earlier. Pembroke Hall won the toss but asked Craighead to go first. So we begin with section 1, where questions will be asked of the teams alternately. They will earn 1 point for each correct answer. And we'll begin with Bible knowledge for Craighead. Who was the father of Abraham?
It's Nahar.
Incorrect, it's Terah. Pembroke Hall, who was the father of Joshua?
Isaac.
Incorrect, it's Nun. Science, Craighead, what is the other name for the kneecap?
It's a socket joint.
Incorrect, it's the patella. Pembroke Hall, what is the soft center of the bone in humans called?
Tissue.
Incorrect, it's the marrow. Jamaican affairs, Craighead, give the name of the national hero that is found on the Jamaican $50 note.
Samuel Sharp.
Correct. Pembroke Hall, give the name of the national hero that is found on the Jamaican $500 note.
Nanny of the Maroons.
Correct. English language, Craighead, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of polite.
Impolite.
Correct. Pembroke Hall, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of complete.
Incomplete.
Correct. General knowledge, Craighead, what is the name of a place where aircrafts are kept?
Hangar.
Correct. Pembroke Hall, what is the name for someone who walks in his sleep?
Sleepwalker.
Incorrect, it's a somnambulist. We move on to social studies. Craighead, what is the official language of St. Martin?
French.
Correct. Pembroke Hall, what is the official language of Aruba?
Spanish.
Incorrect, it's Dutch. Music, Craighead, what is the birth name of the international reggae artiste Shaggy?
Owen Barma.
Incorrect, it's Orville Burrell. Pembroke Hall, what is the birth name of the Jamaican reggae artiste known as Sizzler?
Michael Farrington.
Incorrect, it's Miguel Collins. We move on to mathematics. Craighead, if x equals 4 and y equals 2, what is the value of 5x minus 3y? Question passes to Pembroke Hall.
14.
That's correct. And still with you, Pembroke Hall. If A equals 6 and B equals 3, what is the value of 5A plus 6B?
48.
Correct. Sports for Craighead. Who won a gold medal in the men's 200 meters for Jamaica at the 1976 Olympics?
Asafa Powell.
Incorrect, Donald Quarry. For Pembroke Hall, who won a bronze medal in the women's 200 meters for Jamaica at the 1980 Olympics?
Marlene Ati.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, Craighead, which Jamaican parish is home to Reach Falls?
St. James.
St. James is incorrect, it's Portland. Pembroke Hall, which Jamaican parish is home to Colbeck Castle?
Clarendon.
Or St. Catherine would have also been acceptable, so that's correct. And that's the bell signaling the end of section 1.
With round 1 completed, Pembroke Primary is in the lead with 6 points, while Craighead Primary is on 4 points. During the round, Craighead attempted 10 questions, while Pembroke Primary attempted 11 questions.
So we go for a break, and when we come back, it will be time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.